Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Frigidaire ice maker is making loud or unusual noise like grinding, buzzing or knocking sounds, don't ignore it. It's usually means something is misaligned, blocked or under stress. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can diagnose and even how you can fix it step by step. So first of all, we need to identify the sound. So you are going to basically hear three types of sound here. So first would be the grind noise. So it possible ice jam and the motor strain can be the reason for it. Then there would be buzzing or humming sound. So that comes when the water pump or the compressor working hard. Sometimes you are also going to hear the clicking or the knocking sound. That means the ice release cycle issue. So each sound basically points to a different cause. So you need to listen the sound carefully first. After that, you can just simply hop onto the steps in order to fix that particular sound. Now, one of the most common reasons of ice getting stuck inside. So you need to open the lid and inspect the ice tray and chute area. If the cubes are jammed or stuck together, the machine struggles and make the noises. So in order to fix it, you just have to remove any of the stuck ice and let the system reset. Now, if the unit is slightly tilted, the internal part can also rub or vibrate. So you need to place the ice maker on a completely flat, stable surface because uneven positioning can also cause the rattling and the knocking sounds. Now, a loud buzzing sound can come from the water pump working too hard. So this happens if the water isn't flowing properly. So in that case, you need to make sure that the tank is filled correctly and not blocked. Also, you can check for the buildup in the intake area. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the noise or the loud noise is gone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.